Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Dondero, your PE teacher, back for another year of distance learning PE. Hopefully, we get ourselves back to school at some point, but remember, everybody needs to be wearing their mask, keeping their hands clean, keeping their social distance. That's what's going to get us back at school. Not just you, but everybody you know, make sure that they're doing what they need to do so that we can get back at school and start playing some sports again. Okay, so what's going to happen each week is you are going to get a little Google Sheet sent to you that has an outline of kind of what you're doing for that week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you can see we've got a little warm-up activity, and we've got then your other activity that you're going to do for the day. And we will keep walking Wednesday like we have in the past. So on Monday, you're going to do the home workout, which is similar to what we've done in the classroom before. In the gym, this is kind of how we start the day after the roll. But you're going to do all of these exercises, not just picking one from each. So you're going to do the shoulder stretches, then you're going to do the arm scissors, then you're going to work your way through the side leg raises, the front kicks, all the way down. Okay, when you get to push-ups, you want to try and do the 10 push-ups off your toes. If you can't do the 10 push-ups off your toes, you can do the knees for practice. But remember, for the state test, you have to do the push-ups off your toes. So please, if you're doing them off your knees, only do that for a couple of weeks. Then you should be able to get yourself to 10 push-ups off your knees. Then you can switch over to doing push-ups off your toes, okay? And if you can't do 10, maybe take a little break, do 5, take a little break, and then get your other 10 in there, okay? Sit-ups, if you need someone to hold your feet, you can ask a family member. If not, try and slide them under a couch, under your bed, something that won't lift up as you're doing your sit-ups. But remember, you should be able to do sit-ups without anybody holding your feet. That's kind of how the state wants them done. All right, so that's what you'll do first. You'll kind of go through that home workout. Then on Mondays, we're going to do some dance, okay? I've got some Just Dance Ones links, so if you click on it, it'll take you to a playlist of about 5 songs, and you're going to go through those songs and kind of do the Just Dance routines that are on the screen. If you have the game Just Dance, you can fire it up and just play that instead. If you would prefer to do TikTok or some other dancing, maybe you like salsa dancing or something, you can do that. That's fine. Please just make sure you're dancing for at least 20 minutes. Okay, on Tuesdays, we're going to do the practice PE test. We started doing this for part of the year in January when we came back. This is where you're going to do each of the PE tests and kind of work on them. So the shoulder stretches, remember, you put your hands behind, you want to try and touch your hands behind your back. If you cannot touch your hands behind your back while you're at home, this is a good time. Grab something, usually a belt works better, but you put it behind, grab it with your other hand, and then pull down, and that'll help stretch this part of your arm out. And then pull up, and it'll help stretch out your shoulder over here. Okay, and then make sure you do that on both sides. If you're doing that on a regular basis, you should be able to get to where you can touch your fingertips. I know some of you can grab easy, but some of you need to stretch a little so you can get to your fingertips. Push-ups, just like we mentioned before, that means we should be doing push-ups pretty much every day. Toe touches, remember for the toe touches, you got to sit down, you do one leg at a time, and you're going to lean out there and try and touch your toe. Everybody should be able to touch a toe. Remember, girls, you actually have to be able to grab around your toes. Okay, for the state test, they want the girls to be able to reach a little farther and grab around. Boys, you just need to be able to touch your toes. Okay, and do each leg separately. Then you've got your sit-ups. Okay, so we're doing sit-ups pretty much every day and push-ups. And then trunk extension. Remember, that's one where you lay down on your stomach and you lift your chin up and try and get it 9 inches or so off the ground. You cannot have your arms in front of you. Your arms have to be to your side. You don't have to put them behind your back, just at your side. And then lift up. Practice stretching that back out. And then for your running, okay, I want everybody to start out with a little bit of running. So if you got some headphones, put some headphones in, go out to the neighborhood, okay, take a little jog, 1 song, jog. Don't run your full speed, jog, so you can jog for the whole song, then walk for 1 song, and then jog for your 3rd song, okay? Bring a mask with you in case you wind up going around other people. You can kind of put the mask on and cover up. You should see me around the neighborhoods at 8 a.m. I'm going to be going around for kind of my neighborhood walks in the morning to get myself out there and walking. So if you see me out there and you want to join me, you can, but remember, we need to stay social distance. So you can come out and walk around, you know, behind me or in front of me, but we all kind of want to stay 6 feet apart at least. That's going to be your practice testing on Tuesdays. Then you've got beginning yoga. We're going to start out the beginning of the year with some yoga. Okay, and the key here on the yoga is it's good for flexibility to get us started, get us stretching, kind of moving. It'll work a little bit on your core strength. We'll have a couple of different yoga people on here. And as we go through them, if you find one that you like, you can stay with that group. So I might have us putting down yoga for stretching in 3 weeks. But if you really liked doing yoga eds routine, you can go scroll down, find a couple more that they do that you like. Okay, I have a guy on the next week that if you like him, you can do some of his. He even does Pilates, which is a little bit more intense for those of you that are athletes and you want something a little stronger. But you'll just push play, go through the video. It's about 16 minutes and just do what they do on the ground. If you don't have a mat, that's okay. You can do it on a carpeted floor or floor. It'll still work out just fine. On Wednesdays, we're going to do walking, but on the first Wednesday, I want you to look at this little video that talks about some of the benefits of walking every day or getting exercise every day. Okay, it's a short 10-minute video, and then you just go out and walk for another 10, 20 minutes to kind of finish it off. On Thursday, you're going to do the home workout again. Remember all of the exercises. And then on Thursdays, we're going to do a PE with Joe. At the beginning of the COVID lockdown, this guy decided to do kind of daily routines. So we're going to do one a week for a couple of days. It's not something we'll do forever, but if it's something that you do like, he just kind of goes through and does kind of a full body exercise workout thing. You can do it along with him and see how you like it. If you wind up not liking it, you can switch off to something else as I start introducing some other new things. And then on Friday, you'll do the PE test practice again, and then you will do a family challenge. Each Friday, I'm going to try and find a little something that you can challenge your family with. So this one is a bottle flip challenge. Okay, it explains the rules and everything right there on the video. You just watch it, you do it, see how many points you can get, and then challenge your brothers, sisters, parents, anybody that you can in the household. Challenge them up and see who can get the most points. Okay, it was good talking to you. I hope to see you on some Zooms here and there. I'm going to try and pop in when I can. But remember, don't neglect your physical health. Okay.